stop smoking, I'm cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah. Cooking up dope in the crock pot.
What's up, everyone? It's the DJ Master. It's the sexiest vampire boy around, aka DJ Sexy Vampire Boy. And today I am here with Jay. And welcome to another episode of, Nature Walk. Well, it's not really an episode, it's not a game and all, so, but I'm still gonna call it by what it is. So, today we're just gonna be walking around. And, what are we gonna do, Jay? He's like, I don't know, shit. So, we don't know what we're gonna be doing. We're probably gonna be walking around, being total idiots. What? And looking. And we're probably gonna be looking for something. It's muddy over here, though. If you guys ever want to come to Michigan, please do not hesitate to come. That's because, like, in some places it's all cold, and some places it's all hot. Really hot, extremely hot, But Michigan, it's a mixture, which gets on my fucking nerves. So I'm like, eh. So, yeah. Yes. If we had a soccer ball, we could probably play some soccer a bit. Oh, never mind. Both goals don't have the thing, the net. And my shoot's gonna run off. God damn it. Oh well. I'll deal with that later. Ish. Oh God. Might as well follow Jade. Never mind. Ish. Maybe. Nope, we're still good. Oh, almost fell. It's like frozen here. I can tell some trees are already getting chopped down. Holy shit. Oh, my hands are cold. My hand is cold, so I'm using my other hand. Ah! I almost fell. Shit. Oh, they moved the benches over here. Nice. Yeah, right. Or, whatever that is. Whew. I was right. What the fuck? Hand sanitizer. What the fuck? Oh shit. Sorry I'm not really talking a lot, everyone. I can't really text back on the chat because I left my computer at home, so yeah, that's the only way I can text back. What the fuck is that? There's water in it, really. Ow, that hurt. Fuck. Jay, go see if that's safe. It looks safe. Huh? Okay. Look at that. Ooh, fucking fingers are cold. Is it safe? It isn't. I was thinking of walking on it, but yeah. Jay, try doing the stomp test to see if it's safe. Okay. Now we have the bob test. The look test. Walk test, point test. And we have see it broke already. Another walk test. Walk through trees test. I'm just kidding. I'm just making up these type of tests. Is it safe? I don't know. Ooh, good. I almost broke my shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. I almost broke my shit. Well, yeah, this video might be short because my phone is at 38%. So, yeah. But it's not going to end right here. Not yet. And some snow went in my shoe. Cold, that's hell. Also, just to let you guys know, I may or may not be doing videos during spring break. During spring break because basically my mom always wants me to do stuff. So I'm like, you know what? Might as well tell everyone that I might not be doing videos for a bit. I might do one in the beginning of spring break. But since some of you guys are like already on during spring or on spring break, or probably coming soon to spring break, then, you know, hope you guys have a wonderful spring break. But me, I don't know. I'm probably gonna be staying home, or I might ask my uncle or aunt if I could stay the night. I don't know. Jeez. Oh, God. Huh? Okay. Well, Jay is gonna be texting it. I'm just gonna be walking around like a baby cub, lost and alone. But I'm not a cub. I'm a vampire. So, yeah. Ooh. Now I'm starting to fall over. Ow! Chicken wire. That does not feel good into my skin. There's basically nowhere else to walk to, but I am freezing cold. Just hey y'all. Alright, 13 seconds in the video. As soon as I hit the 1 minute mark of this video, I might end it. I don't know. Either 2 or 1. Nope. I'm about. I heard a bear. I am out. I am too lazy to tame a bear today. I don't tame bears at all anyway, so yep, I'm out. Bye. Goodbye, woods, forever. Bye. I'm done. Nope, nope, nope. Nobody, nope, nope, nope. I swear if Jay ditched me, I'm gonna bitch. I'm gonna backhand him. Might record it too. Ow. Ah, that hurt. Chicken wire again. Ow. I don't think I came from this one. Oh my god. Do not do that. Ah. Scared the living shit out of me, fucker. Let's both do it. You go first.
You go first, actually.
Without going like this. That makes it louder. Boy! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
This is dope.
Echo!
Nigger! Wait.
Fuck! Fuck! I sound like a fucking demon right there. I sound like a What the fuck?
I can't.
Dude, you actually called out to a deer.
Wait. I can't do my high pitched voice anymore.
I can't either.
Ah! Wait, no.
What the? Ah!
Fuck! Fuck!
Fuckity fuck fuck fuck!
Hold on. Fuck! Let me be as loud as I can.
Alright.
Fuck! Wait, no. Hold on. Fuck!
Dude, the echo is so loud it made the whole thing just rise. Yeah. Watch. Do it.
Where's that thing at?
Right there.
Ah.
Fuck! See? That was funny. Dude, you almost have it all the way up. Nope, now I went back to the middle. And I heard that.
That was loud as fuck. Oh shit. Oh, we got my breath.
What the fuck?
I don't know what the fuck that was.
That was like a fucking terror attack. No, that sounded like a... Right?
It fucking called back. Hold on. Ah! What is that?
Mm.
Keep going. Man, it looks bad. I hate it.
We're almost at the 1 minute mark, yo. And my phone's on 30%.
It is.
Yeepers. I think I might end the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Even though we were being complete idiots, just yelling and screaming. Jay, would you like anything to say to the audience? Nothing? I bet. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe today, comment, and bite the like button's neck. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.